पता करना है. How can you find the area? Area of a circle is pi r square. Okay, try it. Send me the answer. First, you have to find r from this circumference. Okay, then you have to apply in this formula for the area. It's very easy question. These are very basic questions. Yesterday also we have done basic questions. Today also basic questions. From tomorrow it will be little bit hard. So tough questions will be from tomorrow. So today 15 question. If we can finish 15 question, we can finish. Yes, these are easy questions. So answer fast. We will go fast. Yes, no answer came yet. No answer yet. Fast, fast. Yes, answers are coming. Yes, Sava is correct. Anuj, very good. तुक्का है क्या अनुज?
नो सर बता देंगे.
Okay, that's the spirit. Okay. Others, please, fast. Ayan, correct. Yes, Sridhar. New student is there, Sridhar. Yes, where are the S legends? S legends. Saif is there. Yes, Saif Ali. Prashant, Suraj. You should answer fast. Prashant, Suraj. Piyush is there? No? Piyush. Ayush Kumar is Piyush?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wait, I will change my name.
Ayush, Piyush. I guess. Ayush and Piyush. This is your
It's my
brother's
brother
name.
name, sir.
Brother's name.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fast, fast. You people should run with me. From 2 months you are studying here. See, Anuj Sharma has answered so fast. क्या बात है, किसी का नहीं आ रहा? 13 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर. 10 लोग बचे हैं अभी. यस, सैफ अली करेक्ट बट वेरी लेट.
तो सर प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था एक्चुअली.
क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था?
यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करने में अभी एडजस्ट किए सब.
ओके. सुशील, इट्स नॉट करेक्ट. प्रशांत इज करेक्ट. सुशील, व्हाई यू आर नॉट करेक्ट? ट्राई अगेन. कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक इज देयर. श्रीधर, समझ में आ रहा है? श्रीधर इज फ्रॉम आंध्र प्रदेश. ओके श्रीधर, यू आर गेटिंग दिस क्वेश्चन. प्रशांत इज करेक्ट. सुशील नॉट करेक्ट. श्रीधर. सूरज कहाँ हो? दीना, योगेंद्रन, where's your answer? Pooja, this question is very important for class 6 also. So class 6 student, please concentrate on question. Very good question for class 6, and it is very basic question for class 9th. Dina, it's okay, correct?
And a tricky one question for 6.
Sridhar. What's up?
For 6 it is a tough question.
No, for 6 it is a standard question for class 6, but for 9th it is basic question. Okay. So Pooja is correct. Very good. Sushil is correct now. Suraj, where are you? Arjun Singh Chauhan. Yes, very good. See, class 6 students are also answering correctly. सूरज अभी तक आंसर नहीं आया. नेटवर्क में है या नहीं सूरज? यस, यू आर देयर. ओके अनुज, चलो तुम ही को समझाना है. स्टार्ट अनुज.
यस सर. सर पहले वो फॉर्मूला रेडियस निकालना है तो पाई आर स्क्वायर.
पाई आर स्क्वायर, दिस इज सर्कमफेरेंस.
हाँ तो वही तो पहले रेडियस निकालना है ना.
हाँ, कैसे निकालेंगे?
तो 22/7 इंटू आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 33.
अरे तुमने तो उल्टा ही कर दिया भाई. कैसे आंसर सही आ गया तुम्हारा? हाउ यू फाइंड करेक्ट आंसर? योर मेथड इज रॉन्ग. दिस इज सर्कमफेरेंस नॉट एरिया, एंड दिस फॉर्मूला इज फॉर एरिया नॉट सर्कमफेरेंस.
ओह यस, मेरा आंसर पर सही आया।
तुक्के में आया आंसर, तुक्के में आया। सुशील, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन? सुशील, सुशील, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन? Yes, Arjun, Sridhar, very good. Shashidhar, sorry, Shashidhar. Yes, Shashidhar is correct. Arjun, can you explain? Arjun, Sushil, Pooja, Deena, anyone?
May I try?
Yes, who will explain?
May I?
आवाज सही करो पीयूष, आवाज नहीं तुम्हारी। Yes, Piyush, explain.
Yes, sir.
Volume
First,
volume.
sir, first we write circumference, that is 2 pi r is equal
Circumference.
to 33
सर
centimeter.
सर अब समझाऊं, मेरा आ गया सही।
चलो बताओ।
Is equal to 33 centimeter.
सर पहले 2 पाई आर इज इक्वल टू 33,
Okay.
फिर 2 इंटू 22/7 इंटू आर
2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 33.
इक्वल टू 33, तो वो हो जाएगा 44/7।
54 by 7
तो r इज इक्वल टू 44/7 इंटू 33।
गलत है, गलत।
33 अपॉन में आएगा 7 इंटू 33।
Yes. So it
मैंने
will
थोड़ा
be
उल्टा करके लिखा है पर अपॉन में आएगा जी।
33
7/44।
into 7 by 44. Okay.
Yes.
Then
Then cancel by 11।
11 11 3s are
11 3 जा 11 4 जा।
okay. So this will be 21 by 4.
Then 21/4।
Okay, now
Then its area of circle 2 pi r square।
फिर तुम उल्टा बोल रहे हो।
तो 2
उल्टा क्यों बोलते हो भाई?
सॉरी pi r square
Okay.
22/7 into 21/4 into 21/4।
Okay. So
Then
7 3s are 21,
7 3 जा 21
2 2s are 4, 2 11.
and 2 2 जा 4 and 2 11 जा।
Okay, if you multiply, you will get this answer. Okay, correct.
Yes sir।
Everyone clear? Anyone has doubt, please tell me if anyone has doubt. If anyone has doubt, please. Please tell me.
No, sir.
Okay. So question number 2. Yes. Yes, question number 2. Circumference of a circle of diameter 5 centimeter is. Again, now you have to calculate the circumference, that is perimeter. Perimeter and circumference both are same. Perimeter and circumference both are same. Yes, Ayan is correct. Deena not correct. 1 minute. Yes, Deena is correct. Suraj is correct. Piyush correct. Arjun Singh Chauhan correct. Yes, this is easy question. So who will explain?
Sir, I.
Okay, explain in English.
Okay, sir.
Volume is low.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we have to write 22/7
22 by 7
into 5.
into pi. Why pi? This is pi. This is
Sir,
pi.
5 centimeter wala 5.
5.
Yes, sir.
You are saying pi. Okay, 5. 22 by 7 into 5. Your network is low.
हम बता देते हैं सर.
110 by 7.
Your network is low. Yes, Piyush.
So first of all,
सर मैं बताऊं
2 into 22
सबका साउंड
by 7.
है भाई, साउंड बढ़ाओ ना अपना.
That is formula of
बहुत
circumference.
Hello.
Yes.
सर मेरा भी कम है.
2 into 22 by 7 into 5.
2 into 22 by 7 into 5. Simple.
No, 2.5.
यस सर 2.5
अयान का मैथड ज्यादा इजी है.
सर अब मेरी आवाज ठीक है?
अब ठीक है.
हाँ ठीक है.
सर अब बताते हैं. Is equal to 110 by 7.
Is equal to 110 by 7. Okay.
अब इसको डिवाइड कर देंगे तो आ जाएगा.
Let me explain to others. They don't understand. Okay. So actually the formula is 2 pi r. Okay. 2 pi r, or you can say if diameter is given, then you can directly say pi d. Okay. Formula is pi d. If d is there, you can directly say pi d. Why? Because 2 pi r into pi r, 2r is d. D is what? Double of 2 times the radius. Okay, so instead of 2 pi r, you can directly write pi d. If you want to do fast, you can write pi d. Why? Because diameter is given, and if you write if you don't remember, then you can write it as simple 2 pi r. Okay, so 2 into 22 by 7 into what is r? R is 5 by 2. Why? Because 5 is not radius, 5 is diameter. Okay, so this 2 will cut by this 2, and you can multiply 22 by 5. It is 5 to the 10 0, and 5 to the 10 plus 1 11, 110 by 7. Now you can divide and you will get 15.7. So this is the easiest way. If you want to do fast, you can have 2-3 seconds. 2-3 seconds you can save in calculation. Okay, these are very easy questions. So clear to everyone? Oh, it is clear because this is very
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
okay.
सर पिछला वाला क्वेश्चन हो गया क्या?
कौन सा पिछला?
पहला वाला मैं चार्जर लाने गया था ना उसके लिए.
अच्छा,
1 नंबर वाला.
बहुत हो गया ये.
अच्छा
Simple है, basic formula based questions. These are
हाँ.
formula based question. Yes.
हाँ.
Now question number 3. Again, circumference of a circle disk is 88. Now circumference is given. Now you have to find radius. Okay. So always use this formula. This will help you very much. This will help you in the calculation. It will be easy. Okay. Pi d is 88. Now you can easily find d. Okay. 88 multiplied by 7 by 22. 22 4 7 are 28. And now for r, don't forget to divide for r. Okay. Radius is half of this. So it will be 14 centimeter. Clear? Try to do fast calculation, fast and easy calculation. Practice in such a way that you do very less mistake, means zero mistake. Actually what happens in the examination, you are confused, or you are in the mode of excitement. If you see the easy question, you are in excitement, and if you see the hard question, you are nervous. So in any case, there is a problem. So practice in such a way that you make very less mistake or no mistake. Without any mistake, you can calculate. Okay. So in these type of questions, always we do mistake by while dividing. Okay. Okay. Next question. Question number 4. Yes, this is little bit typical. This is little bit typical. So I will see who will answer correctly. Okay. Try it. What is the question? Length of a tape required to cover the edges of a semicircular disc. The disc is semicircular, and you have to cover the edges. Cover the edges means you have to measure the boundary of that semicircular disc of radius 10 centimeter. Radius is given of that semicircular disc. Okay, like this. I am giving hint like this, and you have to measure the edges. Length of tape required to cover the edges. Okay. Yes, I will not solve. Just solve it. Send me the answer. Question number 4. Yes, you are trapped. Saf, you are trapped. You are trapped, Saf. There is a trap and you are trapped, and Saba is also trapped. Prashant, wrong answer. Saba wrong. Saf wrong. Arjun Singh Chauhan, wrong. Legends are wrong. Sushil is wrong. Arjun Singh Chauhan, wrong. Pooja, wrong. Prashant is correct, yes. First student who is correct, Prashant. Ayan, wrong. Saif Ali, now wrong. Again,
अब
wrong.
नहीं बनेगा.
Suraj is also wrong again. This is question number 4. Suraj. Still Arjun Singh Chauhan wrong. Sushil wrong. Pooja wrong. Only Prashant is right. So Prashant will explain where is the fault. Everyone has find this one, and you forget to add this. If you want to cover the age, you have to cover this all. Okay. So you guys have find this one. 31.4 is what? 31.4 is what? Only up to here. And then you have to add 10 plus 10. That is 20. Then it will be, answer will be B. Okay. Those who have answered C, they have find the semicircle only. The perimeter of this semicircle. You have to add this also. Why? Because you have to cover the whole edge. And edge is not only the semicircle. Edge is this also. Semicircular disc. So edge is this also. You have left this 20. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
So be careful. Trap is there, be careful. Okay.
Sir, explain.
Explain again. Okay. Yes, those, don't be shy. Tell me if you don't understand, tell me. I'll explain 2 times, 3 times. Okay. Okay. So what it is saying, length of the tape. What it is asking, length of the tape required to cover the edges of a semicircular disc. This is semicircular disc. Okay, semicircular disc means half of the circle. So semicircle means this. So you have to find the length of tape which will cover this edge. Which edge? From here to here and this. This is the semicircular disc. It's not here. This is not included. Okay, this is not there. So you have to find the half perimeter of this circle plus this diameter. Okay, this diameter. This also included. Okay. So what is the R? R is 10 centimeter. So what will be the perimeter of circle? 2 pi R. Okay. So 2 into 22 by 7 into R is 10. Okay. 2 pi R. And if you want to half it, so you have to divide it by 2. So if you divide it by 2, this 2 will cut by this 2. Okay. So this will be, what will be this will be the half of this perimeter only up to here. So let us check. 220 divided by 7. So it's coming 31.4. Okay. 7 3s are 21. 1 left. So 10. 7 1s are 7. And then again 3 will be left. So 30. 7 4s are 28. So 31.4 is coming from here to here. Okay. And now you have to add this diameter to get to cover the whole edge of the semicircular disc. Okay. So you will add 20 here. So now it will be 51.4. Correct answer is B, not C. So maximum, all the students have sent the answer 31.4. So be careful when we have to check, when we have to add this diameter and when we have we don't have to add this diameter. Okay, be very careful. In some question we don't need to add this diameter in some questions. Okay, some questions are there, some conditions are there where we are not supposed to add this diameter. So be very careful. So different type of questions will come. So open your mind, keep your mind open, and just think about that. What we have to, either we have to add or we don't have to add. Okay. So this type of, whenever semicircular question is there for semicircular, anything which is semicircular, just you have to think over that we have to add this diameter or we don't have to add. Okay. I think you all understand. Yes, Shashidhar, you are right.
Yes, sir.
But I don't know when you answered. You answered 9:15. and 916 is there. So I already explained. Okay, you have answered 915, I think. Okay, no problem. Just try again. Be attentive. Okay, very good. Yes. Still, anyone has doubt? Still, anyone?
So you can interchange values.
Suraj,
You can. You
Sir, change the radius.
change the radius.
can
Take it 5 centimeter.
change values then we go.
Take it 5 centimeter. Then what will be the answer? If radius is changed to 5 centimeter, what will be the answer? Okay. Now you know the funda. Now you know the concept. This is trap, only trap. Nothing.
41 point.
Yes, this is nothing more than trap. Only this is trap. Okay. Simple calculation is there. So 2 into pi r, 22 by 7 multiplied by 5. Okay. So it will be 2 5 the 10, 0. 5 2 the 10 plus 1, 11. Yes. Again, different answers are coming. Why? So 110 by 7. So 7 1 is 7 plus 4, 40. Then 7 5 is 35. Again 50. So it will be point. So 7 7 is 49. So it will be 15.7 is the this one. 15.7 is this one. And now you what you add? You will add 20 or 10? You will add 10 only, not 20. So it will be 25.7. Yes, Sabha is correct. Suraj, why you are not correct? Suraj,
मैंने 10 माइनस कर दिया 51 से
10 minutes ऐसा थोड़ी
51.4 से 10 माइनस दिया.
कुछ भी everything will change. If your radius will change, everything will change. Area will change, perimeter will change, diameter will change, everything will change. In circle, everything is depend upon radius. Okay, in circle, every question, anything and everything depend upon the radius. Okay, if radius changes by
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
any of the amount,
Hello.
everything will change. Okay, so don't minus 10. Yes.
सर भेजा हूँ
सुशील करेक्ट सुशील का करेक्ट है, प्रशांत करेक्ट है. ओके, जस्ट आई हैव सॉल्व हियर, सो नो नीड टू
Hello.
आंसर, आई ऑलरेडी
Hello,
सॉल्व.
sir.
ओके, आवाज क्लियर करो यार पीयूष, तुम्हारी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है,
Hello.
बहुत स्लो आ रही है आवाज. अरे बढ़िया सा ईयरफोन वगैरह रखो.
Hello.
क्या करते हो, 100 रुपए का तो ईयरफोन आता है बढ़िया. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Now slowly we will increase the standard. Yes, so class 6 you can also answer this question, no problem, easy for you. And 9th, it's very easy because you people have already studied the algebra. Nothing to do with algebra, just finish it. Yes, who is there? Sabairam, very good, correct answer. Ayan, not correct. Yes, you are class 6. For class 6 it is typical question and very good question for class 6. Try it again. No, not correct. Arjun Singh Chauhan, it's wrong. Sushil, correct.
सर मैं भेजा हूँ.
Pooja, not correct. You are sending the formula for circumference. Pooja, it's for circumference. Yogendran, it's for circumference, not the area. Okay, don't confuse between area and circumference. Sapper is correct. Ayan, again not correct. He is asking area of the circle. Yogendran is correct. Now, Suraj not correct. What happened, Suraj? Today you are not answering. क्या बात है? खाना वाना नहीं खाया क्या?
Circumference.
9.
Circumference बोले सर.
क्यों circumference भेजा? Area भेजा ना? It is asking about area. Area of the circle with diameter is this, radius is this, circumference is p. You have to find area. Yes, Prashant is right. Shashidhar is also right, correct. Ayan, not correct. You are just making tukka. Deena, how many questions? 15 questions. Deena. Piyush, correct. Deena, not correct. Suraj, correct now. Piyush, correct now. Okay. So nothing to do. Just what is the formula for area? Formula for area is pi r square. And what is r? R is n. So you have to just replace r by n, pi n square. This is the answer. Okay.
Circumference.
And this is circumference 2 pi n. Circumference is 2 pi r. Replace r by n. So 2 pi n.
Yes, sir.
This is circumference. This is area. Okay.
वो एक circumference था इनका था.
नहीं नहीं, क्वेश्चन को सही से पहले दो. In Sainik school, you have to give time to read the question. If you read the question, understand the question, it's easy. Always Sainik school asks always easy questions. Just there is a trap. Always there is a trap. And questions are very easy. Calculations are very easy. Always they will cut. If fraction is there, always it will cut. Okay. So they are making very good questions. Sainik school. Just give 2-3 seconds, 10 seconds at least. Give 10 seconds to read. If typical questions are there, easy questions, no problem. If typical questions are there, give 10 seconds to read it. Read it. If you understand the question, you will take only 5 seconds to solve it. Okay. So divide your time like this. Okay. Now question number 6. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt in question number 5? Anyone? No doubt.
No, sir.
Okay. Now question number 6. Yes, a table is semicircular in shape. See, semicircular. Now you have to give attention about the diameter, what I told you later on before. Sorry. A tabletop is semicircular in shape with diameter 2.8 meter. Area of this tabletop is. So in area, there is no problem. But in circumference, you have to be careful. So in area, this is the semicircular table and diameter is 2.8. Okay. Now you have to find the area of this tabletop. Very easy question, formula based. Question number 6. Yes. Yes, answers are coming. Saif Ali. Question number 6. Yes, Saif Ali is correct. Prashant, this time you are not correct. Prashant, you are not correct. Prashant. Pooja, you are right. Arjun Singh Chauhan. Yes, right. This time you are right. So I think Prashant, you have taken this as a R. Okay. So this is not R, this is D. Yogendran, it's correct. Ayan, it's correct. Piyush, not correct. This is simple question, formula based question. Why you are making mistakes? Why you people making mistake? Yogendran, it's correct.
तो
Piyush,
एरिया ही
not correct.
निकालना.
क्या हुआ?
एरिया ही तो निकालना.
Yes, area निकालना है, लेकिन half होगा ना. What is area? Area is pi r square. Okay. So what is r here? R is 1.4. This is d. You have to half it. So r is 1.4. And what
Yes,
is
sir.
pi?
Yes.
You have to multiply it 2 times. 1.4, 1.4 square. Pi is 22 by 7. Okay. So what you will do?
Divided by 2.
This is area of whole circle, not the semicircle. This is area of whole circle. So if you divide by 2, it will be area of semicircle. So 7 to the 14.2. This is 0.2. Okay. So this is 0.1 and it will cut by 2. Okay. Now 1.4 into 0.1. So it will be 22 into 0.14. Yes. What is the answer? 1414.
तो वही तो आ रहा है.
1818, sorry.
8.
सही है, सही है.
Hmm? A is the correct answer. Oh, A क्या लीजेंड्स के
I'm,
चक्कर में
I am the correct.
लीजेंड्स के चक्कर में आंसर गलत हो गया था. Question number 6. Yes, this is the area of whole circle. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. You have to find the area of semicircle. So you have to divide it by 2. So this is correct. 3.08. Sushil B, Prashant B, Saif Ali is now correct. Shashidhar का आंसर कहाँ है? Yes, Shashidhar, you are correct. Shashidhar is correct. Piyush correct. Yogendra not correct. Ayan not correct. Arjun Singh Chauhan not correct. पूजा नॉट करेक्ट. प्रशांत इज करेक्ट. ओके, लगता है लीजेंड्स को चेंज करना पड़ेगा. ओके, so you have doubt. Those who have answered B, your doubt is cleared or not? Those who have
Cleared.
answered B, it is clear for you? Yes, it may be clear because you have find the answer of this circle. Okay, and you have to find this area, not the whole area, semicircular. Okay, so correct answer is 3.8. ओके.
मैंने पहली बार भेजा था.
हाँ, तुम्हारा सबसे पहले आंसर सही, तुम्हारा ही सही था, प्रशांत का. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दैट आई हैव टू चेंज द लीजेंड्स. नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, फर्स्ट आंसर वाज फ्रॉम प्रशांत, करेक्ट आंसर. बट यू चेंज द आंसर आफ्टरवर्ड्स. व्हाई यू चेंज द आंसर? यू शुड बी कॉन्फिडेंट.
But I don't.
तुम भी कर ही
सर
देते.
दूसरा लगा के ट्राई कर रहे थे.
अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं.
हम नहीं करते, हम बहुत देख के हम किए थे.
अच्छा, ठीक है, चलो. What is the answer? Question number 7.
सर आंसर भेज दिया.
Answer is, this is very basic, what I was trying to explain. The ratio of circumference C by D, this ratio is called pi. Okay, so always remember it. Yes, correct, everyone is correct. I think everyone will be correct, no problem. Okay, now question number 8. Yes, this is the typical question. जो बता देगा एक्सप्लेन करके कोई बता सकता है इसको?
अटक गया.
अटक गया. ओके, विल टेक इट इन लास्ट, नो प्रॉब्लम.
आ गया.
वी विल टेक दैट क्वेश्चन
क्या
एट
हटा
लास्ट.
क्यों दे?
वी विल टेक दिस क्वेश्चन एट लास्ट. ओके,
ओके, ये वाला करते हैं.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. If radius of a circle is increased to twice its original length, how much will the area of circle increase? Question number 9. This is very easy question. Area of the circle, pi r square. Put question number also. Question number 9. Prashant. Yes, you are right. Sushil. Not right, Sushil. If it is question number 9, it's not right, Sushil. Saif, right. Shashidhar, right. Very good. Savairam, right. Ayan, not right. How you are doing this? It's very important for class 6 and general question for class 9th. Not easy, not hard, in between, general. Okay, I have categorized questions basic, general, and this AISS EE standard. Okay, so for class 6 it is AISSE standard. Okay, and for class 9 it is general question. Yes. Sabaram correct. Ayan wrong. Arjun Singh Chauhan wrong. Class 6. Pooja. Where is your answer? Pooja not correct. This is question number 9. You have not answered question number 9, Pooja. Ayan Yusuf wrong. Piyush wrong. Ayan don't make tukka. So fast you are answering. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Anyone will be correct. Arjun Singh Chauhan wrong. Sushil wrong. How it is Sushil? What you are doing? Sushil, how it can be 1.4? This is no chance. No chance. Not at all. See, what you can do, it's very
So
easy.
it's increased by
Hmm?
it's material
No. Why? You have not answered.
गलती से
Yes, now Pooja, your answer is wrong.
गलती से चला गया था वो वाला.
Hmm. Okay, see, this is the old and this is new. The same funda which we have used in other shapes. Okay, the same funda, same concept. So what is the area of the circle? Pi r square. Okay. Now what is the new r? New r is double of this r. Okay, so it will be pi. So r will be 2r. Okay, increased by twice. Increased to twice. So 2r into 2r. Okay. Okay, this is r into r. Removes 2. This is r into r. This is 2r into 2r. Okay. Now make it same like this. Make this one. Make the new area same like this old one. So old one is pi r into r. And what you left? This you left 2 and 2. So 2 into 2. Okay, this is pi r into r. So this is same as this. Okay, so this is same as this. So this will cut, and what you will left with? 2 2s are 4. So what is the answer? 4 times. The new area is 4 times the old area. This is old. Okay, this is old. And how many times? This is 4. Now you can understand. Yes, class 6. Understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it is 4 times the old area. Like this you have to do. So now I am putting it 1.5 times. Send me the answer, everyone. Now this is not twice, this is 1.5 times. What will be the answer? How many times its area will increase? Yes, try it. Yes, Sabha is correct. Shashidhar is correct. Very good. Your preparation is very good, Shashidhar. Your concept is also good. Your calculation is also good, Shashidhar. Yes, it's correct, Shashidhar. Pooja, it's not correct.
सर आंसर भेजा है.
Hmm. Pooja not correct. Arjun Singh Chauhan not correct. Piyush correct. Pooja not correct again. Do as I instructed. Do same. Do with the same process. Yes, Arjun Singh Chauhan, very good. Now correct. Sushil correct. Very good. Saif Ali. Which question going on? Question number 9 modified. Question number 9.1. Question number 9 modified. Modified. It is not twice, now it is 1.5 times. The radius of a circle is increased to 1.5 times its original length. How much will the area of the circle increase? Pooja, again wrong.
सर आंसर इसी सब कुछ ऑप्शन में है.
No, answer is not here. You have to send me the answer. You can't make tukka.
sir, today we have to finish 15 question all. Okay, sir.
Yes, I will finish. There will be break for 15 minutes. If you want, we can continue. But tomorrow is Saturday. Class is there tomorrow?
Where at his school?
Yes, school is there tomorrow.
Yeah, there, but I think, but my chance is low to go in
If
school
you people want, I can continue.
tomorrow.
I don't have any problem. But if like here we have 11 students. If 10 students are ready, then I can continue. No problem. I will finish all 15 questions. Still we have half an hour. No problem. Still we have half an hour. We can finish. Yes, Saif Ali is correct. Pooja not correct. Ayan is ready. Nirmala Pissel. Who is this Nirmala Pissel? Nirmala Pissel.
सर मैं हूँ सूरज
Suraj. Okay.
हाँ
Suraj.
नाम बदल लेता
मैंने बदल दिया Suraj. Okay. So I'll explain again. This is very easy question. Who will explain?
Sir, me.
Yes, start.
Who? Me.
The student who said me.
First take.
Who is that?
Sir, first.
तुम्हारा
I
sound ही
think-
नहीं
Sir,
है.
that's me, Sushil.
Sushil, yes,
Sushil.
explain Sushil.
Sir, first old and new.
Yes, old and new. But don't do like this in your exam. Just this is to explain only. Don't do like this. Okay? In exam you don't have time to do like this. Just this is for practice. Okay, so old
Sir, and right.
is pi r into r. Okay, pi into r into r. And what is new? Pi into 1.5 r.
Pi into 0.5.
1.5 r into 1.5 r. Okay, next what? Next what we can do?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir,
Yes.
sir, I have directly multiplied
Sir,
by
now-
1.5. 1.5 and 1.5.
Yes, that is
Yeah, it's
the
good.
shortcut. But here we are explaining. Here we are explaining.
Yes, sir, two methods.
No, that is shortcut. No problem. If you understand the method, you can directly multiply
It can be used in
whatever
exam also.
whatever is the increase in your radius, you have to square it. That's it. But this you will never remember in your exam. This you cannot remember in exam. Okay, so first try to understand the concept. See, just now I have explained it, and some of the students have answered wrong. Why? Why? Because they don't know the concept. So this is the concept. If 2-3 times you will do by concept, next time you automatically you will do the shortcut automatically. Okay, no need to say. You will automatically do the shortcut. Okay, whenever you understand this concept, you will come to this shortcut. Or directly, if you learn directly the shortcut, you will finish in your exam. You will forget this short trick. Okay, so first try to do by this concept. Okay, Sushil, explain what we will do now. We will make it the new one. We will make it same like this old. So what it will be?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, now multiply 1.5 into 1.5.
No, first take the old one from this new one. Take out the old one. Pi into r, and what you left? 1.5 you left. This
1.5 into 1.5.
in 1.5. Okay. So this is old. This is old, same as this. This is same. So now you can say this
And
is
1.5 into 1.5 is new.
yes. This is 2.25. If you multiply 1.5 into 1.5, you will get 2.25. So this the new one is 2.25 times the old one. This is old one. Okay. So this is the concept. And for short trick, you can just square it. Square the increase in the original length. Okay. Increase is increase in 1.5 times. Okay. Now the same question changed as same question. If I change, I will not increase by times. Okay, I will increase by 5. The radius of circle increase by 2, not 2 times. Increase by 2, that is plus 2. Then what will happen? सैफ आ सकता है? कुछ आंसर बढ़िया आंसर आएगा या फंस जाओगे?
यस सर देख रहे हैं एक मिनट.
Try it, everyone try it. If it is complex, then leave it. If answer is coming, good answer is coming, then reply it. Okay, try this. This is not 2 times, increased by 2. So language try to try to understand the language. If it is increased to twice, then it will be multiplied by 2, and if it is increased by 2, then you have to add 2. Both are different. It will be complex, I think.
नहीं होगा सर,
It will be complex. Leave it, leave it.
नहीं होगा.
Okay, leave it, leave it. Okay, for 6th class student, there is one more question. For 6th class student, it is changed by 1 point, not 1 point. It is, yes, it is increased by 1.2 times. 1.2 times. Yes, what will be your answer? How much time it will increase the area? For class 6, class 9th also, class 9th can also attempt this question. But basically this is for class 6. Yes, 1.2 times. If the length of the radius is increased by 1.2 times, what will be the increase in the area of circle?
Sir, sended answer.
Okay. पीयूष का आगे है सबा. Yes, सबा correct.
सर मेरा पॉइंट थोड़ा इधर हो गया था.
पीयूष का क्या है भाई? पहले कुछ और भेजा, अभी कुछ और भेजा.
सर मैं भेजा हूँ.
पीयूष
नहीं वही भेजा है.
पीयूष का गलत है. अर्जुन
हाँ,
सिंह
बोलिए.
चौहान करेक्ट है. पूजा इट्स रॉन्ग. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. सुशील राइट है.
अब सही होगा देखिए.
प्रशांत इज राइट. शशिधर राइट. सूरज राइट. पूजा इट्स नॉट राइट. पूजा ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. पूजा व्हाई यू आर डूइंग लाइक दिस. सैफ अली इज राइट.
मेरा
राइट. सैफ का राइट. Yes, Pooja, try to understand. You have to just square it. 1.2, if you square 1.2,
सर मेरा
दूसरा वाला सही है पीयूष, पहला वाला गलत था. If you square this 1.2, you will get 1.44. Okay.
सर मैं
And what will be the answer if you are asked for the circumference? Next question is for circumference, I think. No. Yes, what will be the answer in circumference?
same 1.2 times.
Yes. So for circumference, there will be same increase. Whatever you increase in radius, same increase will be there for the circumference. Okay. So for area, just if you can remember, just remember it. Otherwise, I always tell not to remember. Okay. If you can remember it, that you have to square the radius, the increase. You have to increase. You have to square the increase. Okay. You have to square the increase for area, and for perimeter or circumference, both will be same. Whatever increase in the radius, same increase will be in the perimeter or circumference of the circle. Okay, clear to everyone? Pooja, you have to square
Yes,
it.
sir.
सर
क्या हुआ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, next question.
सर आपने एक 8th वाला टफ क्वेश्चंस बताया था ना.
क्या हुआ? फिर से बोलो.
सर 8th 1 टफ क्वेश्चन था ना.
अभी बहुत है 15 क्वेश्चन है. लास्ट में देखेंगे उसको. 15 क्वेश्चन है अभी. Total question is 15. We are on 10th. Still 5 questions remaining. We have time. Yes, try it. What will be the area of the largest square that can be cut out of a circle of radius 10 centimeter? Area of the largest square. If circle is there, what will be the area of largest square which can be cut from the circle of radius? Radius is 10 centimeter. Yes, try it. Class 6, no need to try. If you want to try, you can try. Otherwise, this is not for you. If you can try, if you can do, you can try. Question number 10. Sushil, so fast. Wrong answer, Sushil. Sushil, calculate it. Prashant, it's correct. प्रशांत ने तो सबको पछाड़ दिया भाई। पीयूष, कुछ सीखो प्रशांत से। अनुज, अनुज कहाँ है यार? कुछ आंसर ही नहीं आ रहा अनुज का। अनुज है ही नहीं। बहुत लोग गायब हो गए इतनी जल्दी। कौन कौन गायब हो गया इसमें से? सुशील करेक्ट, सुशील करेक्ट। पीयूष नॉट करेक्ट। पीयूष, व्हाट यू आर डूइंग पीयूष? सैफ अली, व्हाट यू आर डूइंग सैफ? लीजेंडरी छीन जाएगी तुम्हारे। नॉट करेक्ट अर्जुन, नॉट करेक्ट अर्जुन, नॉट करेक्ट। सूरज नॉट करेक्ट। सूरज नॉट करेक्ट। पीयूष का नॉट करेक्ट। सवा एरम करेक्ट। अर्जुन सिंह चौहान नॉट करेक्ट। अर्जुन तुम्हारे सिलेबस में नहीं है, ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अगर नहीं आता अर्जुन तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अभी एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, समझना। अगर समझ गए तो ठीक है, नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं। यस सैफ अली, नाउ यू आर राइट। शशिधर नहीं है क्या? शशिधर, वेयर इज योर आंसर? सारे लीजेंड्स एस से ही आ रहे हैं। पी एक आ गया प्रशांत। यस, एस फॉर शशिधर। व्हाट इज द आंसर? Yes, I'll explain now. So time is finished. Yes, कौन एक्सप्लेन करेगा? किसका सही आंसर था? Yes, प्रशांत, can you explain?
Yes, sir.
Explain.
Sir, area of all quadrilateral 1 by 2 into D1 into D2 diagonal से हम एरिया निकालते हैं सर।
अच्छा, इसको क्या क्वाड्रिलेटरल मान लिया?
हाँ सर, क्वाड्रिलेटरल मानेंगे।
क्या हो जाएगा? एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल,
एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल 1 by 2 into 20 हो जाएगा सर। डायमीटर 20 हो जाएगा ना सर, रेडियस 10 है तो।
Okay, 10 plus 10, 20. And both the diagonals of a square is equal. 20 into 20.
हाँ सर, 20 into 20 400 हो जाएगा सर। 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे, 200 है।
So it is 200. Okay, if you don't remember this, then what you can do? Saf, तुम्हारा भी यही है? Any other method? Anyone who has done it by other method? Anyone? Because this method, you will not remember this method. सबा कैसे किया? सबा? Piyush not.
Sir, by using Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, by using Pythagoras. Okay, explain. Okay, if you don't remember this, what Prashant has explained, if you don't remember, you can use other method, which is very simple, and you must
Yes, sir.
be knowing that method. That is Pythagoras method, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, explain, Sabha. This is a square. Okay, and this is the diameter, which is 20, and this is right angle. Why? Because it is a square. Okay, so this is 20. How you will find this side? If you find the side, you will get the area of this square. Okay, you have to find the side. So how you can find the side? If there is 90 degree, you can use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this side is equal to this side because it is a square, and this is 20. Hypotenuse is 20. Guess, बताओ भाई सबा। सबा, explain. क्या होगा भाई? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Explain.
Sir, first we have to find the diameter of the circle.
Okay, diameter.
That is 20 centimeter.
Centimeter. Okay. Then
Then we have to suppose ये height and breadth and length.
Suppose
P.
A is the side of this. A is the side of a square. Then
Then diagonal equal to height square plus base square.
height square plus base, both are same.
Diagonal square, sir.
Diagonal square is equal to height square plus base square. You can say A square
So
square. Okay, both are same. This is A, this is A. So A square plus A square. So this will be 2A square. And this is D square. That means 20 square
400.
into 20. 400. Okay. So you want to find the area. Area is A square. Okay. So A square will be equal to 400 divided by 2. That is 200. Okay. This is the method by Pythagoras theorem. This is what? This is Pythagoras theorem. Okay. What it says, hypotenuse square is equal to the perpendicular square plus base square. Okay. If there is any right triangle and this is perpendicular, this is base and this is hypotenuse. So Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square is equal to p square plus b square. Okay. So by this, if you don't remember the Prashant method, if you don't remember the using the quadrilateral, or if you forget that both the diagonals are equal, then only you can use this Pythagoras theorem to find out. Okay. Clear to everyone? If you have any doubt, just ask me. Anyone has any doubt? No one? पीयूष तुम्हारा
हाँ
गलत,
सर
पीयूष का गलत क्यों हुआ? पीयूष क्या किया तुमने?
गलत किए।
क्या गलत किया?
हमें ए स्क्वायर का एरिया निकाल के उसके बाद सर्कल का एरिया निकाल के उसको माइनस कर दिया।
माइनस कर दिया, अच्छा। ओके, इसका एरिया पहले निकाला, फिर इसका एरिया कहाँ से पता चल जाएगा तुमको? कैसे माइनस करोगे? ये तो पूरा ये एरिया निकालना पड़ेगा, ये एरिया निकालना पड़ेगा, ये एरिया निकालना पड़ेगा, ये निकालना पड़ेगा, तब माइनस करोगे तो ये एरिया आएगा। ओके, सो just opposite to this question, next question is just opposite to the previous question. Okay, इसमें try करो. If you understand the concept, you can easily find this answer. Okay, try it.
What is the radius of the largest circle that can be cut? Kaka.
पूजा. Not correct, Pooja. Saif, correct. Suraj, not correct. Pooja, not correct. Arjun, not correct. Okay, no problem. Ayan, you can go now. Prashant, this time you are not correct. Now let me check. Let me check. What is the radius of the largest circle that can be cut out of the rectangle measuring 10 centimeters in the length and 8 centimeters in the breadth? Yes, you are wrong. Shashidhar, Sabairam, you are also wrong. Maximum, it is asking the maximum, the largest circle. Yeah, maybe we are wrong. Maybe Saif is wrong. What will be the largest circle? If it is, this is the largest, 10. You cannot make this. You can make only like this. Saif, you are wrong. Sabha is right. Prashant is right. Okay. Suraj is right. Pooja is right. Question number 11, Pooja is right. Okay, Pooja. Suraj is right, correct. Anuj Arjun Singh Chauhan, correct. You are right. Ayan. Okay, Prashant is right. Arjun, before you are right. Okay, so this is 8. So the maximum you can make this circle. You cannot make circle like this. You cannot make circle like this. This is the maximum diameter you can take. The maximum diameter will be 8. You cannot take this diameter. Okay, the maximum diameter will be 8, not 10. Clear है सबको? Everyone is clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
We cannot make a circle like this. More than this, you cannot make. You cannot make the circle of the diameter more than 8. Okay, maximum you can make 8, diameter 8. So radius will be 4 centimeters. So correct is 4 centimeter. Okay. So it is 11 is A. Okay, question number 12 now. This is pi r square. Okay, this is a square. 81 pi r square. The circumference of the circle whose area is 81 pi r square. See the trap. 81 pi r square. What will be the radius here? What will be the radius from this area? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
What will be the radius of this circle? The area is given like this. What will be the radius?
Radius. Wait.
Hmm? Just tell orally. Orally, you can tell orally. Savaayam. Yes, you are right. Savaayam is right. 12. Prashant is right. Pooja not right for 12. Piyush not right. Piyush, what you have answered, that is. Please check your answer. Okay, Piyush. Arjun Singh Chauhan. No. Yes, you are right. What I have asked, not right. Answer is no. You have the answer. The formula is 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r. Just remember this formula. Arjun Singh Chauhan. Sushil is right. Yes, so R will be, just tell me anyone, what will be the R? See, 81, this is the conceptual method, otherwise I can give you the trick. This is the conceptual method. 81 pi R square sorry. What is the formula for area? Area is pi R square. Okay, so here it is small r, so I will take it as a capital R. Okay, so pi r square is equal to 81 pi r square. Okay, so what you have to find? You have to find this capital R. So pi will cut by this pi. Okay, and R will be equal to under root of 81 r square. Okay, so 81 will come outside. 9 9 is 81. So square root of 81 is 9, and r square is there. So after taking its root, r will be left. Okay, so capital R is 9r. That means the radius of this circle, whose area is 81 pi r square, is 9r. So radius is 9r. So what will be the circumference? 2 into pi into 9r. Okay, so 9 to the 18, and pi is there and r is there. So 18 pi r is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Okay, Pooja is correct. Saif Ali, what you are doing? Saif Ali is wrong. Sushil right. Okay, where is Shashidhar? Shashidhar, not right. Shashidhar. Right or wrong? Shashidhar. Question number 12. Question number 12. Prashant is correct. B. Pooja not correct. Arjun. Okay, so clear to everyone this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now question number 13. Area of a square is 100 square centimeter. This is square centimeter. The circumference in centimeter of the largest circle cut out of it is. Area is 100. So what will be the side?
10.
10. Okay. So what is the largest circle? This is the circle, largest circle. Okay. What will be the circumference of this circle? Yes. Answer please. Fast. So this will be the last question. Okay. Tomorrow we will see that tough question. One question remaining and two questions, 14, 15, and the other question. And again, the next circle 2 will be there. Okay. Second practice set for circle. Tomorrow we finish the circle. Okay. So we will take some old questions, means previous questions plus today's 3 questions. Okay. Around 10 to 12 questions. Tomorrow there will be 10 to 12 questions. Okay. So Sabha, because everyone has to sleep, it's already 10:15. Piyush, 13.
क्या हुआ
Yes.
सर?
13, question number 13. Pooja has answered correct. Piyush correct. Sabha, what is this Sabha? Why you are wrong? Sabha, you are wrong. Saf, you are also wrong. Both are wrong. What happened to my legends? Arjun Singh Chauhan. Yes, you are right. Piyush, right. Shashidhar, right. Yes. Yogendran, right. Sabha, okay, right. Now it's right. Pooja, not right. Prashant is right.
Sir, मेरे wrong.
Prashant is right. Sushil, right. Shashidhar, right. Saif Ali is right now. Okay. So this is 10. So you will draw this diameter. This is also 10. So radius will be 5. Or you don't no need to find the radius. Just it is pi d. Pi d is 10 pi. Okay. This is the circumference. Okay, so in this question, the circumference of a circle, okay, it is asking, what is it is asking? Circumference, okay, a circle, circumference of a circle, whose area is given by this, whose area is given like this, okay, this is the area, 81 pi r square, okay, this is not 2,
ये तो बता दिए थे.
नहीं समझ में आया था शशि को, okay, so this is area, and you know what is the area? What is the area of a circle? Area of a circle? Yes, Shashi, what is area of the circle? Hello?
R square.
Pi r square. I will write different r because it will match with this. Okay, so I will write capital R. Okay, this is pi r square. Okay, area of circle is pi r square. Okay, so this is equal to what? This is equal to 81 pi r square. यहाँ तक समझ में आया? Up to here, you know, you understand up to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the finally what you need to find circumference? For circumference you need to find r. Okay, if you get r you can find the circumference. Okay. So what is r?
Okay, sir.
What is r from here? Pi r square is equal to 81 pi r square. Okay. So what is r? So r square is equal to 81 pi r square divided by pi. Okay. So you can cut this pi by pi. Okay, you will left with 81 r square. 81 r square. Okay, so you can write 81 as a 9 square. Okay, 9 square and
Good evening, sir.
good evening. 9 square and r square. Okay, you can write it 9r whole square. Okay, and this is r square. So you can remove r. Okay, you can remove a square. A square will cut by a square. Why? Because you can take under root both sides. The square will be finished. Okay, this operation you can do. Okay, so you can remove this square. So you will get what you will get. You will get r is equal to 9r. Okay, this is r of the circle. If you get r, what will be the circumference? Yes, what will be the circumference, Shashi?
9 pi r.
No, I'm asking to Shashi.
2 pi r.
Okay, sir.
Not 9 pi r. This will be
Okay, sir.
2 pi and capital R. Why? Because you have this one, this r. This is your r, and this
Yes,
is not
sir.
your r. This is capital R. Okay. And what is capital R?
Yes, sir.
You find 9r. Okay. In place of capital R, you can write in 9r, and rest everything will be as it is, 2 pi. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you can multiply 2 into 9, so it will be 18 pi r. Okay. So this I explained in the basic method. That's why it took time. Otherwise, you can find it within 10 seconds. Okay. Okay, Shashi, do you understand this? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I change here, anyone, I will change here. No problem. I will change here the area, and now you have to find it. Okay. Now it is 36 pi r. Yes, this is 36 pi r. This is the area. Now what will be the circumference, everyone? It's not here.
Pi r square na.
Not a square, only pi r. 36 pi r.
सर एरिया तो स्क्वायर में आता है ना.
जरूरी है क्या? दिस इज द ट्रैप. स्क्वायर में कोई मेरी मर्जी में कुछ भी एरिया रखूं. इट्स माई चॉइस. यू हैव टू फाइंड सर्कमफरेंस. Shashidhar, correct your answer. You are very near. This is not a square. This is only R. Yes, Sabah, Saif, all you all have given the same answer. Sushil wrong. Piyush wrong. Correct it. Saif and Shashi and Sabah. Arjun, correct it. You are very near. Just little mistake. Saif, no, not in number. Not in number. Correct the R. Correct the small r. Shashi?
Sir, मेरा आंसर
No, it will be in R. Where you left the R? R कहाँ गया अनुज? R को खा गए क्या? कौन है भाई ये? Deena, why you are answering so many times? This is wrong. Don't answer so many times. How can I see the other's answer? 8 times, 10 times you are sending answer, same answer and wrong answer. Yes, Sabah, it's correct. Right?
Sir, my
No, Piyush wrong. Deena wrong. Saif Ali. No, it's not a square. How it will be a
Sir,
square? Suraj का आंसर कहाँ है? Sushil, it's not correct. Correct it. Suraj. Piyush not correct.
सर पॉइंट में आ रहा है.
पॉइंट में क्यों आएगा भाई? सिंपल. अभी मैंने इतना अच्छा, बहुत ही सिंपल वे में बताया. जस्ट नाउ आई एक्सप्लेन वेरी सिंपली. लॉन्ग
सर
मेथड.
वो मैं अटेंड नहीं कर पाया. वो अटेंड नहीं कर पाया.
कल तो अटेंड किया था.
हम्म.
कल वाला ही है ना. कल तो अटेंड किया था. कल तो समझाया था इसको. चलो फिर से बता देता हूँ. वंस मोर आई विल एक्सप्लेन. सो कीप
हाँ, ठीक है.
कंसंट्रेशन ऑन दिस everyone, because everyone is wrong here. Only Sabha has corrected herself. Sorry. Okay. So what is the area? Same 2 pi capital R. Sorry. Pi r square. Okay. Pi r square. This is the area, and area is given as 36 pi r. Only r. It's not a square. Only r. Okay. So what is your aim here? What's your aim here? Why you have written this? Anyone? What is the aim? What is your goal here? बताओ भाई कोई.
To find radius.
Yes, this is your radius. Don't think this is your radius. This is not your radius r. R. Suppose this is any algebraic, what we say in algebra, what is x?
X.
What is x?
Variable.
Variable. Yes. Suppose it is any variable r. Don't think this is your radius. Don't think it is your radius. Okay. Think this is simple as any variable. Okay. Then only you can find the correct answer. Your radius is this r, capital R. Okay. To differentiate it, I have written it as a capital R to differentiate it from this small r. Okay. So your target is to find this capital R. So what you will do? You will write it r square is equal to 36 pi and r. Okay. Divided by pi. So pi will be removed. Okay. So r will be, what is r? R is equal to under root 36 r. Okay. So 36 will come out. How much it will be after coming out? Anyone?
6R. 6R.
6 root r.
6
6 root r. 6 root r. This r will not come outside. Okay. If this r has a square, then only it can come out. Okay. R is
Okay.
power of r is only 1, so it will not come out. So power will be half, or you can say this is under root r. So your r is 6 root r. Now easily you can say, you can tell the circumference, it is 2 into pi into 6 root r. Okay, so 6 to the 12 pi root r. Okay, clear, not clear? So,
Clear, sir.
yes, Sabha, Saif, Arjun, and Shashi. You all have answered correctly, but you forget to find this root r. Okay.
सर मैं भी.
सूरज
क्या हुआ?
यस, सूरज का आंसर कहाँ दिखा नहीं मुझे. यस, सूरज भी. हाँ, ठीक है. ओके, सूरज भी. ठीक है. Now again I will change this and you have to find the correct answer. Okay. Now the area is area is 49 by 25 pi square r cube. Who will find? Who can find?
सर ये क्या है?
Area है, area. This is area.
सर बहुत हार्ड है.
कोई हार्ड नहीं है. कोई क्या सर पे उठाना है क्या इसको, एरिया को? सर पे उठाना है क्या एरिया को? बहुत भारी है, बहुत हार्ड है. तोड़ना है क्या इसको हथौड़े से?
सर ये एरिया है सर.
हाँ, एरिया है. फाइंड करो ना कैपिटल आर. यू हैव टू फाइंड कैपिटल आर ओनली. दिस इज योर पाई आर स्क्वायर. दिस इज योर एरिया. फाइंड आर. फाइंड आर. Just very small job, very easy job. You have to find R. चलो, लिख नहीं पाओगे तो बोल देना. जो भी रेडी हो बता देना. Who is ready? पाई कहाँ जाएगा? सबा, where will pi go? 1 pi will left.
सर ट्राई कर रहे हैं हम.
नहीं, सबा को बोल लो.
अच्छा.
सैफ रॉन्ग है. पाई को पाई ही रखो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
सर हमें एरिया फाइंड करना है कि
सरकमफरेंस. एरिया तो दिया हुआ है, दिस इज द एरिया व्हाट आई हैव रिटन 49/25 पाई स्क्वायर आर क्यूब, दिस इज द एरिया, यू हैव टू फाइंड सर्कमफेरेंस। सैफ अली, पाई पाई को देखो भाई, पाई को क्यों छोड़ दे रहे हो? जब रूट लोगे ना, रूट लोगे तो पाई भी तो रूट के अंदर आएगा। सी 49/25 आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 49/25 पाई स्क्वायर आर क्यूब डिवाइडेड बाय पाई। Okay, so one pi will cut by one pi, so one pi will left here. Okay, and when you take root of this after removing this,
Sir, I have also sent.
no, it's not correct. Okay, so if you take root, so from what will come out of the root? See, if you are not clear with root under root, then take like this, it will be very easy to find. Okay, so this is 7 into 7, this is 5 into 5, this is pi is single, r is r into r into r. Okay, so what can come out? Whatever is in a square, it can come out. Okay, so 7 is in a square, so 7 will come out. 5 is in a square, so 5 will come out, 7/5. Pi cannot come out. Okay, so pi will be under root pi. Okay, and from 2r, this is 3r, r into r into r, so 1 r can come out by this r into r. So okay, so 1 r will come out and 1 r will be inside this root. Okay, so what will be your r? R will be equal to 7/5 r under root pi r. This is your r, and if you multiply with 2 pi, okay, you have to multiply with 2 pi r. For circumference you have to multiply by 2 pi r, 2 pi, and this is whole, this whole is r. Okay, so what will be your answer? 7 to the 14 divided by 5. Okay, and r, 1 r outside, 1 pi outside, under root pi r. So why you are afraid? Just you have to think. You know already, you know what is the square, what is square root, you have already studied square root. चलो कुछ ज़्यादा ही कॉम्प्लेक्स हो गया, ठीक है? कुछ ज़्यादा ही कॉम्प्लेक्स हो गया क्या? सूरज, सुशील, वेरी गुड, गुड ट्राई। थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेप्ट को ध्यान में रखो, सब हो जाता है, ठीक है? ओके, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 हो गया था। कोई है जिसको समझ में नहीं आया क्वेश्चन नंबर 13? क्या हुआ, सब लोग
सर मुझे आर 49 डिवाइडेड बाय 25 पाई और आर आया था।
छोड़ दो उसको, छोड़ दो, बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स हो गया है, छोड़ दो। समझ में तो आ ही गया होगा ना क्या करना है, बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ गया ना। आर यू हैव टू फाइंड आर, एनी हाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड आर। ओके, योर आर, नॉट दिस आर। दिस आर इज नथिंग बट a variable. Okay, this r is nothing but variable. Don't think this is r. Okay, okay, so in question number 13 any problem? Question number 13 हो गया था ना कल?
No, sir.
Okay, 14, if the radius of circle is tripled, the area becomes, कल बताया था मैंने, yesterday I explained what you have to do in area and what you have to do in circumference, or you can say perimeter. 14, no, it's wrong. Dina, it's wrong. Suraj, it's wrong. It's asking about area.
सर स्टैंडर्ड आंसर।
Dina is correct. Sushil is correct. Saif is correct. Shashi, where is your answer? Shashi. Yes, Shashi is right. Correct. Shashi right. Suraj not right. Dina second time right. Sushil right. Anuj not right. Saif Ali right. Ayan not right. अयान कल बताया था मैं, तुम लिखते नहीं हो कॉपी में, कॉपी में नोट डाउन कर लो जो बताता हूँ, नहीं तो वीडियो देखा करो रिपीट करके। पीयूष क्या बच्चों की तरह काम कर रहे हो? बच्चों की तरह आंसर मत दो, 6th क्लास के बच्चे की तरह आंसर दे रहे हो। पीयूष, प्रशांत इज करेक्ट। तो प्रशांत अभी सबसे सीरियस जो है अभी प्रशांत है, प्रशांत ने बहुत इम्प्रूव किया है। अनुज क्या करते हो तुम? प्रशांत को देखो, सारे क्वेश्चन का आंसर सही बताते हैं। सवा इज करेक्ट। हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस? दीना, ओके। अनुज नाउ इट्स करेक्ट। योगेंद्रन नॉट करेक्ट। योगेंद्रन। दीना, हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस? 6 10. Ayan, तुक्का मत मारो। I already told you that in area whatever is the increase tripled, then it will be increased by its square. Okay, and in perimeter and circumference it will be same. Okay,
Yes, sir.
for area whatever is the increase, it will be squared. If it is 2 times, so area will increase by 4 times. If it is 5 times, the radius is 5 times, then area will increase by, Ayan, how much?
25.
Yes, 25 times. And the perimeter or circumference will be same.
25 same.
What same? 25.
सॉरी मीन्स जितना रेडियस पहले था वैसे ही रहेगा.
नहीं, पहले ऐसा नहीं रहेगा। रेडियस जितने टाइम बढ़ेगा उतने ही टाइम उसका सर्कमफ्रेंस भी बढ़ेगा। इफ यू इंक्रीज रेडियस बाय 3 टाइम्स, द सर्कमफ्रेंस और पेरीमीटर विल बी इंक्रीज बाय same 3 times.
3 times.
Okay, if radius is increased by 5 times, the circumference will also increase by 5 times. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So remember it. Either remember it or you can do it. You can prove it. How? I already explained yesterday. Anyone need to explain these things? Anyone? Clear to everyone? No one is answering.
Yes, sir. Please.
Clear, sir.
Okay, question number 15. Yes, question number 15. The area of semicircle of radius 4r is, there is a trap. Okay, so be careful. Fifteen. What's F? What you are doing? Dina, it's wrong. Sava is right. Yes, Dina, it's correct. Piyush, it's wrong. Sushil, right. Shashi, Shashi is wrong. I'll check. Maybe you're right. I'll check. Okay, so the area of semicircle of radius 4r. Radius is 4r. Okay. So what will be the area of the circle? Area of circle is pi r square. Okay, don't confuse with this small r. It is given to confuse you. Okay. So pi r square. So what is r? What is r? R is 4 small r. This is r. So you have to square both. Not only r. You have to square 4r. Why? Because r is 4r. Capital R is 4 small r. Ayan, it's wrong. Okay, so pi 4 for the 16 r square. So this is the area of circle. Okay. Now you have to find the area of semicircle. So for semicircle you have to make it half, because semicircle is half of the circle. Okay. Total area of circle is 16 pi r square. So if you half it, so divide it by 2. So 2 8 is 16. So it will be 8 pi r square. Ayan, Dina. Class will be end 10:15. Class will end at 10:15. Prashant, very good, correct answer. Anuj, correct. After me, you answered after me, Anuj.
हम आपको बताने से पहले ही तो दिए थे, देखिए।
कौन है ये? Suraj, what happened? Legends are answering wrong. Suraj and
सर वो 16 का गलती से रूट निकाल लिया, गलती से
रूट निकाल लिया।
जल्दी
गलती
जल्दी।
से तुम लोग इतना बड़ा बड़ा काम क्यों करते हो भाई? रूट निकालना तो बहुत बड़ा काम है, बड़ा काम गलती से थोड़ी होता है भाई। रास्ते में जा रहे हो तुम, इफ यू आर गोइंग इन एनी पाथ, ओके, बाय मिस्टेक you will kick a stone, you can kick a stone by mistake, but you cannot kick a rock by mistake. गलती से तुम एक पत्थर, छोटा से पत्थर को पैर से मार सकते हो, लेकिन रॉक होगा तो
You cannot kick a dog. You cannot kick a dog on the path.
yes, so you are by mistake you are finding a square root.
आजू बाजू में स्क्वायर देखो, जल्दी जल्दी में कर दिया।
नॉर्मली तो स्क्वायर रूट से बचता है आदमी कि ना निकालना पड़े, तुम गलती से स्क्वायर रूट निकाल लो। ओके, कोई बात नहीं,
जल्दी।
ओके।
8 नंबर क्वेश्चन देख लीजिए, सर बोल रहे थे।
हाँ? कौन समझाएगा?
Eight number.
यस, दिस इज क्लियर, दिस क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन। इस पे और पूछूंगा?
Yes,
यस सर।
और
Yes,
sir.
पूछूंगा इस पे। वन मोर क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस पैटर्न। द एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस 4r स्क्वायर, 4r स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा एरिया? चलो, लिख नहीं पा रहे हो तो बोल सकते हो। अनुज को बोलना है, दीना को बोलना है, योगेंद्रन को बोलना है, सुशील को बोलना है, ठीक है? इनमें से जिसका जैसे पहले हो जाए वो बोल दे। अर्जुन को बोलना है, अयान को बोलना है, और कौन है? पूजा इज देयर। शशि को तो मालूम ही होगा।
पीयूष पीयूष पीयूष
पीयूष, तुम भी क्या मतलब कमजोरों में गिनती करा रहे हो क्या अपना? लिख दूं नाम यहाँ पे 6th क्लास वाली लिस्ट में?
नहीं 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 नहीं। चलिए आप लिख दिए तो हम बताते हैं।
बोलो।
2 pi r
2 पाई आर।
सर मेरा आंसर देखना तो।
स्क्वायर।
सूरज का बोलो।
भेजा है।
अच्छा, भेज दिया क्या?
सर स्क्वायर लगाइए ना।
बोलो बोलो, मैं यहाँ लिखता हूँ, बोलो।
सर मैं स्क्वायर लगाइए।
2 पाई आर स्क्वायर है तुम्हारा। एरिया में 2 कहाँ से आ जाएगा? ओके, सूरज बताओ भाई, आंसर बताओ। अर्जुन,
आंसर
अर्जुन का है 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर, इनका भी सेम है। यस, और शशि का तो खैर देखना नहीं है अभी। सुशील 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 का है 16 आर। ओके, हाँ, सूरज का क्या है? सूरज ओके, 8 पाई आर स्क्वायर। ये तो लीजेंड्स में है, सही होगा। अगर ये मैच कर गया दूसरे लीजेंड से तो नहीं, मैच नहीं कर रहा दूसरे लीजेंड से।
4 है शायद आर के
क्या
ऊपर।
मैच किया है?
यस, अनुज क्या आंसर? अनुज
सर 1 मिनट अभी कर रहे हैं।
सुशील का नया आंसर आ गया। सुशील का 8 आर स्क्वायर, 8 आर स्क्वायर। हाँ, सैब सभा का भेज दो भाई, लीजेंड्स थोड़ा सा मैच करा लूँ। सभा का आ चुका है। यस, लीजेंड्स आर मैचिंग सेम, लेकिन लीजेंड्स में शशि का नहीं मिल रहा। यस शशि, योर आंसर इज फाइनल और यू विल चेंज? अयान, लीजेंड्स का देख के मत बताओ अयान।
नो सर, अपने से किया।
8 पाई आर स्क्वायर, क्योंकि लीजेंड्स भी गलत हो जाते हैं कभी कभी।
या सर 8 ही आएगा।
तुम तो पहले लिखवा चुके आंसर अपना, अब मत बोलो।
मैं अब अभी किया
हाँ दीना, व्हाट इज योर आंसर दीना? योगेंद्रन, वैसे लीजेंड्स का गलत है आई थिंक।
सर बता दो ना फिर,
बताता हूँ
हम फिर से ट्राई करते हैं।
बताता हूँ।
4 मिनट है, बताइए।
लीजेंड्स का थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है और शशि का भी थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है। अगर शशि और सूरज का मिला दिया जाए तो करेक्ट आंसर आ जाएगा। देखो शशि शशि शशि, डोंट लूज योर कॉन्फिडेंस, डोंट लूज योर कॉन्फिडेंस। दीना दीना एंड योगेंद्रन, वेयर इज योर आंसर? सिंपल है भाई, सिंपल है, इट्स वेरी सिंपल, इट्स वेरी सिंपल। व्हाट इज योर रेडियस? दिस इज योर रेडियस, okay, this is your radius. And what is the formula? Formula for area of a circle, here it is semicircle, but you can first you can find the area of circle. So area of circle is pi capital R square. And what is capital R? Capital R is 4R square. Already 4R square is your capital R. Now again you have to make it a square. Why? Because of the formula. So pi R square, this is the formula, okay? So pi and 4 for the 16, 4 square it is 16, and R square to the square, so R to the power 4. Shashi, you were right before. Yes, now you are correct. Now you are, it's my final, yes, final new answer is correct, Shashi. Okay, so this is the area of circle. Okay, now you have to find the semicircle, so you have to divide it by 2. So it will be 8 pi R to the power 4. Okay, legends.
सर ये तो भेजा है मैंने,
कहाँ भेजा?
एक बार चेक करो ना।
शशि
एक बार चेक करो भाई।
8 पाई R to the power 4 सिर्फ शशि का आया था। एक मिनट,
मेरा देखो सूरज का।
सबा का आया, सबा का आया, सुशील का नहीं है। 8 R स्क्वायर है, अर्जुन
सर मेरा देखो ना।
पाई R स्क्वायर है, शशि सुशील सूरज, हाँ सही है, सही सही। 8 पाई R to the power 4 सही है, सूरज का सही है। तो लिखवाया क्यों गलत था फिर? मैंने लिखा था,
वो मैंने देखा नहीं।